Today we're looking at the CQ Worldwide CW WPX contest 2024. I was only casually participating in this contest, but I will show you the tools I use, including the spotting tool I use here on a Smart SDR, which is the Flex Radio interface software that you see in front of you right now. I will also try and not do too much voiceover so you can actually hear the CW. Let's get started. In addition to a key, I use a keyboard with macros. I can pretty much operate the contest using the F1, F2, and F3 keys with my call sign report and a thank you 7.3 of course. Before I go any further, let's take a look at the software I use for spotting. For the Smart SDR software from Flex called Stax3, has many options including the spots as I mentioned. And here you see my spotting network setup. Multiple features, that's basically too many features for me to go over, but I do highly recommend this plugin. It allows you to really customize everything you do on the Smart SDR software, and in this case it comes in extremely handy for giving me spots I need. And again, I'm a casual contester and I'm just quickly going over some of the settings here so you can see what's available. I would recommend downloading it and exploring it at your own leisure, and maybe if there's enough interest I'll do a video on it one day. And as you can see, what it does basically overlays the spots on the waterfall. And that's basically all there is to it. Once you get it set up, you just turn it on after Smart SDR and you're good to go. For a sanity check, sometimes I like to use the MRP40 Morse decoder. Here's the link. And this time around I am logging with Ham Radio Deluxe. I Usually don't for contests, but this time around I do. And looks like I had quite a few contacts with this station before. And here I'm doing a sanity check. Yes, it is Victoria Yankee 2 Tango Tango from Prince Edward Island in Canada. And yet this is another station that has not been spotted, so I am confirming I'm hearing it right. November Echo 2 Victor from New Jersey. I'm running about 600 watts, but he's not hearing me, so let's pump it up a little bit. This should give me about 1,000. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe, and also don't forget to check out one of these suggested videos. 7-3 for now.